moisturize and you don't want to be ashy, because you can still be ashy in the summer. The winter is not only for ashiness. It smells so good. It smells kind of like nature, but not like grass, but like a good nature. Hey sunshines, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Maria Shikaya. I do videos about fashion tips for women in their 20s, advice for quality life, and beauty tips for enhancing your beauty. Before we get started with this video, make sure you subscribe and that you be a part of this family that's supportive, encouraging, and we grow together. I really love this community that I'm slowly building. Today's video is going to be about summer body care. So I have 5 different items that I want to talk about. I want to share a little tip about summer body cares. You should change your body care because in the summer it gets really hot and you don't want to wear like thicker lotions because it'll sweat off. So I do recommend that you go with lighter lotions and lighter products so that you don't sweat it off and that you still are moisturized, and you don't want to be ashy because you can still be ashy in the summer. The winter is not only for ashiness. So we're going to start off with the first product, which you always need no matter which time of the season is, but especially in the summer. I don't know, some people don't want to wear this. Let's hear this thing right here. This is deodorant. This is deodorant. This is from Kopari. I got this at Ulta. They sell it at a lot of different places, but I got this specifically at Ulta. They sell it at Sephora as well. It's aluminum free and paraben free deodorant, and it has coconut oil. It's really good and it doesn't leave like all that white streaks. Now there's a lot of different brands that have like aluminum free and paraben free. I think like Dove and like Secret is coming out with some. My second item is going to be this Glow Body Oil. I use this to give myself a glow. It looks very good. I'm going to do like a little sample here so that you guys can see it. And it's from this company called Jackie Aika, and it's a Gypsy Glow. Smooth, hydrate, and restore. And it really does do all those things. If you put it on your wrist, it gives you that really nice glow, and you can put it when you're wearing like a really cute shirt, like a scoop or a v-neck, or like if you're wearing a cute dress, like that would be really cute. Or even if you're going to the pool, like, and it smells so good. It has coconut oil, has a bunch of oils, a lot of essential oils, and it's not tested by any animals, which is really good. And then the third item is going to be this scrub here. I've talked about it before in my previous videos. I had like a little Target review, and this is called Alba Botanica Acnedote. It's a body scrub, and I love this body scrub. It literally feels so good on your skin, and not just that it feels so good on your skin, but it has like such good ingredients in it. It doesn't have like no parabens, no sulfates, no synthetic fragrances. So it's really good, and it has vegetarian products. But I usually use it for my body, and let me give it a little test. And it's brown, and it has like little beads. That's the thing that I really like about this product. It's not like a harsh scrub, which is really good for my skin. If you have sensitive skin, I don't recommend you like having a scrub that's like really harsh, because then it can like, you know, hurt your skin, and you can have like scratches and all stuff and stuff like that. My fourth item is this lotion here from Flamingo, and it's a daily moisturizing lotion, and it's not very thick as well. It's like a lightweight lotion, so I recommend you trying this one out for the summer. And it has willow bark and scaline or squalene. It's really good, and it's, like I said, it smells so good, and I love the packaging on this. Like, and this was gifted to me by Flamingo, but they do sell it at Target as well and Flamingo's website. And let me give you a little sample of, not a sample, let me try it out so you guys can see. So if you put it on your wrist, see, like, it's a little thick, but it dries light. It's really nice. It smells so good. It smells kind of like nature, but not like grass, but like a good nature. The fifth item that I have, and this one is also from Flamingo. It's a light hydrating spray. I've always wanted to try a spray like this, so when they gifted me this item, I was like, yes, I need this. Especially for the summer, it's really good when you like go to sleep and you just put this spray on, and you don't want, like, when it's hot when you sleep, it's like really good for that. Or like during the day when it's really hot, you just want to put something really quick on. This one is really good, but it also gives you like a really natural glow. So if you're wanting to have that glow, I sometimes pair this lotion with a body oil, and then you're glowing so much this summer, and we want you to glow, okay? Because it's the summer, we want the sun to hit you and you're just gonna be glowing. I just love it. But this is how it looks. It's kind of white when you first putting it on, and then it takes a little bit to just put it on, but it's so nice. This product also, they sell it at Target or the Flamingo website, but I was gifted this item. And I highly recommend these products because obviously you don't want to be like sweating all your lotion away. And I think not just your lotion, but you don't want to be sweating like your deodorant. You still need to wear it, even if it's really hot. Wear it, apply it multiple times if you have to. Because sometimes I have to do that some days. And then all of the lotions and the body oils are really lightweight and they smell really good. And you're going to be glowing, moisturized. We're always wanting to be moisturized. I've had times that I haven't been. And trust me, it was not a good time for me. Because try to make that time to like moisturize and take care of yourself this summer, no matter how busy it's going to be, even when the world is opening up more. But make sure you take that time to like do your body care at night or in the morning so that you can also look good. Thanks for watching this video, Sunshines. Make sure that you subscribe and let me know which body care that you guys use for this summer down in the comments. And thanks for watching this video. Bye, Sunshines.